Still using an old ComfyUI version? Update without losing your setup. It is fast, safe, and easy. Update ComfyUI easily.
First of all, we will open the ComfyUI. We have a setting on one side. We will open it. And if we scroll down to the left side, we will open About. This is the ComfyUI detail. So you can see that the ComfyUI version is 0.20. So let's update. We will have to close the ComfyUI. We will also close the command. So we have an update folder in the ComfyUI. We will open it. So these are the 3 files of the update. Update, ComfyUI and Python dependency. Double-click on this file. Click on Run. After some time, it will ask this continue question, so we will press any button from the keyboard. It will start again. You can see that the PyTorch is around 2.6 GB. Let's wait. When this update is done, this window will automatically close. After updating, we will run the ComfyUI again. After ComfyUI is opened, let's check the version again. Go to Settings, scroll down, and open About. Now you can see our version. This is 0.22. Now we are updated. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.